The People's Democratic Party (PDP) governorship candidate Asue Ighodalo don yarn say the present government don try for Edo, say him and the running mate Osadionoge Esquire ready wella to take and pass where the present administration don do reach. E con tok say na Edo State consign am and he ready gidigba to move Edo State pass where every other state don reach. Asue Ighodalo yarn this one for im talk with our Tori person Osaige for the July monthly meeting of the Nigerian Bar Association Benin Branch Lion Bar wey shele for the Lion Bar House for Benin City, Edo State. Asue Ighodalo con tok say na love wey him and the running mate Osadionoge Esquire get for Edo, na im go ginger dem to work wella for im people. Say if you no get love for your people, e no get how you go fit take work for them.
You don't took body for here today.
I enjoy myself too much.
The opening for the law week the other day, when you speak from somewhere, you talk so many things where you go change the narrative. If you don't be governor, by the special grace of God, you'll be governor.
Amen.
And you took now for so many areas, and you begin to talk about the way some persons not serious for this matter, and the way if you come, the way things go change. And today you repeat them again. I will make a do people, Nigeria people, make a hear your voice again. Make it took now for like 2 minutes, make you explain better.
No, man, no hard, simple. You must love your people. If you won't work for your people and you don't love them, you don't go work well for them. So my first thing, me and my running mate, Osadionoge, I love of our people. Our people must have money in the pockets. This one where people no go fit chop, no go fit walk, no go fit do anything, you must stop. The present government don't try, so we go take and pass where then take them. But security, number one. People's well-being, make people fit chop, make them fit walk, make them fit go hospital. You know, make people don't live. You know, they say Nigerian people happy, not just happy. You must be able to be happy and live well. You know, all this one they say SDG goals, SDG standards. In Nigeria, we must preach it. My own be saying Edo State concern me. And by God's grace, we go move Edo State, pass where every other state they pass where the Nigeria they. And my own be that. Then we go find jobs. Our people must find work. All our picking go school. All our picking they do things. We must find work. So, and then we must govern them well. There must be trust. There must be hope. Then we must create and keep our environment. You know, by God's grace, what we want can do, we work for the Edo State people and move Edo State well. We will work tire. We will work. You know,
one question I will ask you. This question, no matter what this some people they ask, and I believe say that question they go hear on today say you don't took mouth. They say government don't serve almost 8 years, and they don't do some more don't get things for a year. Which other thing you feel say he never do where you want to continue and where you want to add more to?
We just improve many things. There are things we, you know, in 8 years no do everything, and then even the money we government gets, you know, government don't improve and increase the money, but the money still no do. So we get to increase the money more, and we get to spend more times to do some things. Even education where you don't do well, there are things we still need to do. Vocational education, make sure that our people they fit for purpose for the work where they bring. You know, make our people see say farming a good work. Make our pikin no run for farm. Make we bring farming and make we do mechanical farming. So our pikin go enjoy farming because now their money day. And from the farming where we do now we go do manufacturing. You know, so all those things. So we go improve all the spheres of life of our people. One way they pay me pass, say people pockets they leak. No money for people pocket. People know they chop. You know, people know they do well. People they picking no fit go school. You know, all those things we must reverse them and improve them. You know, all those policies when they do that time in January 2023, all that time we don't come till today, never leave our body. We in Edo State we go reject them. We will reject them.
Make I owe you here, make I owe break because if I say make you continue, we will not come out for this place. I say make you
because me for my people, you know, the way they feel them, the thing they choke me for body.
I know.
They choke me for body. You know, since 1956, now in this country don't they earn money from oil, olobiri and all that. Where the money? Where do we take the money to? Countries don't even earn nearly the way we earn. They don't hammer. So our own money, and then the people will just spend the money any which way, anyhow. They run around, they keep the money. You know the way they pay me pass? They chop the money, they carry the money, go Bodo Yibo, then die. Then wife don't even know say they get the money there.
Wow. I know people we don't turn down Gidigba with is it Dr. Barrister Esquire Asue Ighodalo where they sabi as man when he sabi all of them know well. If they can't be governor, by the special grace of God, according to Edo people,
Amen. And by the wishes of Edo State people.
Thank you very much. We will see you again. We will host you again.
God bless you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.